everyone, today, we are going to learn about a very interesting and important topic, cord blood banking. This topic is becoming increasingly relevant in modern healthcare and nursing practice because it deals with the use of stem cells to save lives. First, let's understand what cord blood is. After a baby is born and the umbilical cord is cut, some blood remains inside the cord and placenta. This blood is called cord blood. Cord blood is a very rich source of stem cells, the special cells that can grow into different types of blood and immune cells. Now let us see what is cord blood banking. We can define it as cord blood banking as the collection and preservation of umbilical cord blood stem cells for potential future therapeutic or research use. Now let's understand why cord blood is important. The importance of cord blood lies in the stem cells it contains. These are similar to those found in bone marrow and are used for treating many blood-related diseases. It can be used in the treatment of more than 80 serious diseases, such as leukemia, thalassemia, and immune deficiencies. Moreover, research is ongoing to use them in regenerative medicine, such as for repairing damaged tissues and organs. Now let's discuss the types of cord blood banking. There are two main types of cord blood banks, public cord blood banks and private cord blood bank. In a public cord blood bank, parents donate their baby's cord blood freely. This donation can be used by any patient who matches the stem cells. It's like a blood donation, but for stem cells. It's free for the donor and benefits society at large. In a private cord blood bank, parents pay to store their baby's cord blood for their family's personal use. It's stored only for them and can be used if a family member needs a stem cell transplant in the future. Let's see how cord blood is collected. After delivery, once the baby's umbilical cord is clamped and cut, the healthcare professional collects the remaining blood from the cord and placenta using a sterile collection bag. This process is completely safe, it doesn't harm the mother or the baby. The collected blood is then labeled properly and sent to a cord blood bank. In the laboratory, the blood is tested, processed, and then stored in liquid nitrogen at -196 degrees Celsius for long-term preservation. Now, what are the advantages of cord blood banking? The procedure is safe, painless, and risk-free. It provides a readily available source of stem cells for transplantation. There's a lower risk of rejection than bone marrow transplants. And in the future, it may be used for regenerative therapies. However, there are some limitations too. Private banking can be very costly. The amount of blood collected is small and may not be enough for an adult transplant. It may not help with genetic diseases, because the stem cells may carry the same genetic defect. And finally, its long-term usefulness is still being researched. There are also ethical and legal considerations. Parents must give informed consent before the collection, and must follow government guidelines and ethical standards. All samples must be properly labeled, documented, and handled with confidentiality. We must ensure that parents receive accurate and unbiased information, not commercial marketing pressure from private companies. Following national guidelines and ethical standards is very important. As nurses, we play a vital role in cord blood banking. We should educate and counsel parents about their choices, assist in safe and sterile collection, ensure proper documentation and labeling, coordinate with the cord blood bank team, and most importantly, uphold ethical and evidence-based practices. Cord blood banking is one of the great advancements in modern medicine. It offers a safe and effective way to store stem cells that can potentially save lives. As nurses, it is our responsibility to spread awareness, educate parents, and participate in the safe and ethical collection of cord blood. By doing so, we can contribute to a healthier and more hopeful future.